YouTube Poop.
Pause! What is that?
We have no more buildings to demolish. 5, 4, 3, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bob the Builder.
The school will be amazing.
More and hurry. If you say so.
What do these rebars do?
Nothing!
I'm currently at the stationary concrete batching plant.
Let's install the walls and ceilings.
Here, they melt mostly scrap.
Anchor Bay.
Roof. Oh! Look out!
There are 3 main stages of paving. Paving, paving, and paving.
They also have a sauce farm. Sauce farms grow their sauce from high-quality seed blends.
It was quite a lesson to learn how construction works.
Joy.